One of the most legendary aircraft ever built may finally have a challenger on the horizon. The iconic SR-71 Blackbird has held its place in aviation history for decades, but a new experimental aircraft from Hermeus is starting to turn heads. In March 2026, the company's Quarterhorse Mk 2.1 uncrewed prototype successfully broke the sound barrier during a test flight at Spaceport America over the White Sands Missile Range in New Mexico. The SR-71 Blackbird remains one of the most remarkable aircraft. Back in 1976, it reached an official top speed of Mach 3.32, setting the world airspeed record for a crewed air-breathing jet aircraft. It also established records for sustained horizontal flight altitude and speed over a closed 1,000-kilometer course. On top of that, the aircraft set multiple time and distance records on routes connecting cities such as New York, London, Los Angeles, Washington, D.C., Kansas City, St. Louis, and Cincinnati. What made the Blackbird even more impressive was that these incredible speeds were part of its normal operations. The aircraft routinely cruised at high supersonic speeds while conducting reconnaissance missions for the United States and NATO. During its service life, it reportedly outran more than 4,000 anti-aircraft missiles, making it one of the most successful and respected military aircraft ever created. Although the Blackbird was retired more than 30 years ago and now resides in museums, its legacy continues to inspire aerospace engineers. Hermeus views its Quarterhorse program as both a technological and spiritual successor to the famous spy plane. The company isn't just trying to build a faster aircraft. The Quarterhorse program is designed to test technologies that could make routine hypersonic flight a reality. A major focus is Hermeus's Chimera propulsion system, a turbine-based combined cycle engine that combines a traditional turbojet with a ramjet. This setup is intended to help aircraft transition smoothly from subsonic speeds all the way into the hypersonic range. Rather than developing a single aircraft from start to finish, Hermeus is taking a rapid prototyping approach. The company is building several versions of Quarterhorse, with each aircraft focused on a specific stage of development. Earlier models handled taxi testing, takeoff and landing evaluations, and other flight milestones. The latest version has now demonstrated supersonic capability. The Quarterhorse Mk 2.1, roughly the size of an F-16 Fighting Falcon, achieved a top speed of Mach 1.21 during its recent test flight. That milestone came just 364 days after the maiden flight of the Quarterhorse Mk 1, highlighting the company's rapid development pace. According to Hermeus, the data gathered from these flights will help shape future versions, including the Mk 2.2 and Mk 2.3. The ultimate goal is to achieve sustained high supersonic flight and pave the way for the company's larger ambitions. Those plans include the uncrewed Dark Horse military aircraft and eventually Halcyon, a commercial hypersonic passenger jet designed to carry 20 travelers at speeds far beyond today's airliners. The SR-71 Blackbird's records still stand, but projects like Quarterhorse show that the race for extreme speed is far from over. The next generation of aircraft could push beyond what was once considered impossible and bring hypersonic travel closer to everyday reality.